Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube. Okay, where am I? Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube. Okay. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie and it's nice to meet you. So yes, that is me done for... Okay, so that is me done. It's not me done, this is an intro. Okay. And I'm going to highlight my collarbones. I was about to say cheekbones. That's weird. And my chin. Okay. One video. That's strong. Oh my god! Spots and redness. This door's doing my head in. What am I doing today? I don't know. I do not know. Now I'm choking. Now I'm choking. Save me. The ones that are wonderful wizard of because I cannot find my brush. I don't know what all this stuff is. Get the double chin. Get it. Crazy. Looks so white. Weird. Hi guys. It dries actually pretty quick, so I need to get this shit on. Christmas, snow's falling down. Christmas. Natural. I do not. That is very bright. Hello. Then I'm gonna go in. Ooh, just hit me up the face. And ow. And then we can, I don't know, concealer, which is right underneath the brow bone. I'm gonna go in with the drop it. Blusher time. Looks a bit strange. It looks a bit strange. My eyes. So the eyeshadow looks so fine. I wanna make a man of mine. I'm gonna go in with, let me see. La 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 la. Ah, my ears. Inspired look. I don't know what kind of look this is, but here it is anyway. Smudge that out with a bit of... No, smudge that out with a smudger brush. Ow. Don't poke yourself in the eye. We're singing deck the halls. I look crazy. Dee, 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 dee. Then I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Blush Dream palette. Then I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Blush Dream palette over the top. Okay. Hello, I forgot to change the name on it, so it's actually for Debbie. Right? Okay, bye. Mark's way to get us Dominoes. Yes. I didn't just pick all this up for us to bloody lose the bubble. I put it in your back of your hair. Okay, so if you want to see how I recreate, not recreate. So, ow. Gosh, where is that bra? Shit, I lost my brush. And beauty, and yes, it is not sparkles. That is everything, I think. I don't know. That'll do. That'll do. Still have blue all under my eyes. But I don't care. I'll just cover that up tomorrow with some base. Bye everyone. Cheers.